Okay, Algebra Lesson 14, multiplying monomials. So far you've added them, you've subtracted them, so now we're multiplying them, and the rules are a little different. When you're multiplying, you're going to multiply the coefficients and then follow the rules for exponents when you're multiplying the variables, if they're the same, okay? You can multiply the coefficients anyway. You can always multiply numbers. So again, this is like a 1 is there. 1 times 2 is 2. And then since the variables are the same, we can multiply the exponents. And the rule when you're multiplying exponents is to add them. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So we've got 2x to the third power. Okay? Multiply the coefficients, multiply the variables if they're the same. And then the rules for exponents apply. When you're multiplying, add the exponents together. Here we've got two different variables, but still we can multiply the coefficients. 3 times 2 is 6. We can't, really combine those, so we just kind of leave them as they are in alphabetical order. So 6x, y. Alright? They each have an exponent of 1, but since they're not the same, they're different letters, we can't combine those exponents at all. So we've got 6x, y. Okay? A little tricky, a little different, but not too bad. So go ahead and pause it, see if you can try those classwork examples on your own, then replay the video and check your answers, and we can go over it, but pause it first, please. Okay, let's see how you did. For the first one here, we had x on the outside multiplied by 4x squared. 1 times 4 is 4, so we have multiplied the coefficients. Now for the variables, we have an x and an x, so we can combine those. x1, x squared, when we are multiplying exponents, we add them, so we've got 4x to the third power. Let me double check. Yeah, that's right. 4x to the third power. Here, for number 2, 3x times 4y squared. Multiply your coefficients. 3 times 4 is 12. X and y, we can't combine those exponents, so we're going to keep them as they are in alphabetical order. So 12xy squared. Okay? So far, so good? Maybe? That last one, again, the coefficients, 5 times 3 is 15. We've got an x and an x, x1 and x1, so that becomes x squared, and then our y squared. 15x squared, y squared for that one, okay? Circle any that you missed, star the ones you really want to ask me about. Please ask me about them. Don't just accept the answer and then be like, oh, okay, so that's the right answer. I'm good. I want you to ask me about them so I can help you. And we'll talk about those tomorrow. Bye.